Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, we opened in about 9 minutes, so I'm going to make this real quick. We talked yesterday about how if the bears can't take out a level that matters and keep it taken out and turn it into resistance, we will continue to head higher and we will continue to make new all-time highs. That's exactly what we did. It's the same song I've been singing for months. Take something out that matters, turn it into resistance, and then talk to me about, whether this thing is going to have a significant, pullback. The only pullback we've had, was back in late January, early February, right back here to the 50-day. It bounced nicely, back up, re-engage the upper band up to new highs. So look, you've got the 9-day at 68 today. Convert it, close below it. Same conversation we had back on Tuesday with 58. They took it down to 55.25. They couldn't take out the 9-day, and you see what happened. They took it back up to new all-time highs. You've got to deal with the 9-day. You just have to. And then you can start talking about whether they can take out the daily mid-band at 33.23 and the other things that follow from that. But until then, the answer is every dip's a buy, and off we go. They're just noise. They are noise above the 9-day. Noise. So what do we talk about? Bulls hold support, slow bleed to new highs on last Thursday. Bulls continue to defend the 9-day. 9-day remains support, new highs pending. That was yesterday. More new highs as discussed. Bears are just noise above the 9-day. So plant that in your brain. Hourly. There's your 9-day, 9-day, 9-day. They had their chance on Tuesday. Those are those matching lows at 55.25, and they took them, what is that, 40 plus handles to the upside. Now, you had a decent break. You got a lower high here. We spent the overnight Globex short 91.5 against 92, 93, 94, something like that was the marker. So it was really nice short trade for us. We covered. We'll see what they want to do here. Our days, our day in the room is made. We've done that in the last couple of Globex sessions, which has been nice. Globex continues to move. So what do the bears need to do today? Well, don't give up the daily pivot. That's your dotted line there, up at 84.25. Don't give up the hourly midband. Keep that as resistance and convert the 9-day. If you do that, then you got to convert weekly pivot. You got to deal with 55 quarter. You got to make a new weekly low. If you do that, then we're 40 handles off the highs, and you might actually get someone's attention that's in it for more than a rental to the downside. Okay? All right. Everybody have a great day. I want to get this out. More stuff out on social. Come trade with us. Do yourself that favor. If you trade this stuff, get in this room. We would love to meet you. It's a great place to be. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.